عارفين فيلم اللي هو شورت وفانلة وكاب؟ انا بقى بنطلون وفانلة وكاب. آه... عامل لكم مفاجأة النهاردة. عارفين ايه هي ايه؟ استنوني بقى، خليكم بقى على نور. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? I hope you are doing well. And I just told you right now I have a surprise for you. Actually, I have two surprises. One, the first one is and the second surprise is today I have a special and a lovely friend from Afghanistan. Today we have a small tuition of or like difference between Arabic language and Afghani language. It's a huge difference, of course, and we will not talk much, but we just take a simple words, a simple sentences to pronounce by my language and her language. First of all, if I would like to say good morning in my language, I will say صباح الخير. صباح الخير. If I would like to say how are you, I will say ازيك، عامل ايه، اخبارك ايه، ازيك، عامل ايه، اخبارك ايه، ازيك، عامل ايه، اخبارك ايه. And if I would like to say or I would like to ask you what's your name, what's your name in my language is اسمك ايه. اسمك ايه. I'm talking about my own local language, my own local accent, which is Egyptian accent. What's your name is اسمك ايه. ما اسمك. اسمك ايه يا اسطى، اسمك ايه يا باشا، اسمك ايه يا شبح، اسمك ايه يا مهندس، اسمك ايه يا شبحانة، حاجات من دي. And if I would like to ask you where are you from, انت من فين يا اسطى، انت من فين يا اسطى، من اي بلد انت يا اسطى، مصري انت ولا سعودي ولا اماراتي، انت جنسيتك ايه يا اسطى. Where are you from, انت فين. And the last thing is that if I would like to ask someone age, how old are you, انت عندك كام سنة يا اسطى. هو انت عندك كام سنة يا اسطى. يا اسطى انا مديك كده في الخمسينات، في الاربعينات. Yeah, if I would like to ask someone how old are you, I will say انت عندك كام سنة. حاليا right now my friend, whatever I have said right now, she will translate it to her language, which is Afghani language.
Assalamu alaikum, Ani Sabria. Assalamu alaikum. 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 Assalamu alaikum. السلام عليكم. أنا صبرية من أفغانستان، الآن في هند. Hi guys, hope everyone is fine, doing well. If you want to say good morning in Farsi, some people they call it Persian. You can say Subh bakhair. Subh bakhair. And if you want to ask how are you, so you can say chator hasti. Chator hasti. And remember, all these things I'm telling you is just between friends. For example, I'm not telling you the formal language, I'm telling you like friendly language. If you want to ask what's your name, so it's Nomit Cheest. Nomit Cheest. Where are you from? So you can ask like as kujo hasti. As kujo hasti. If you want to ask how old are you, remember not to ask it from a girl. You say Chansola Hasti. Chansola Hasti. I think enough for today because we should have some more reason to catch up later. Thank you so much, Ibrahim, to taking me in your video. All the best of luck and love to all your audiences.
In the end of this video, I would like to thank all of you guys for watching, supporting, for everything. And also I hope that you enjoyed watching that video. And the most important that I would like to thank my friend Sabriya, and she's a really a nice friend. Once I called her that I would like to record one video with you, she did not see any like single excuses. She said, okay, today I will do it, and she has done it today itself. I would like really thanks from my heart. And second thing is to wait. My head is getting cold. The second important thing is that don't forget to share, like, subscribe. See you next time. See you next video. Bye. See you.